Hi boys and girls, and welcome to our Rainbow Common Exception Words video. This is where we learn our tricky Year 3 and 4 words, and we do it 4 every time to try and learn them all by the end of Year 3 and 4. Okay, so let's see what we've got this week. Can you find the right word? Here's all the words we need to learn. We're going to start at the top with the first 4. The first word is accident. There it is at the top, accident. Let's look at it more closely. Accident. So here, the man's had an accident in his car. Okay, listen to the word accident. Sounds like an S, doesn't it? But to get that ac sound, we have a double C. Accident. And then you've got the word within a word at the end, dent. If you dent something, you end up with a dint in the side. Here it is in a sentence. The man had an accident in his car. Our second word is next door. Accidentally. Accidentally. It's a long one. Let's look at it more closely. Now, there's a reason why we're doing this one after accident, isn't there? Because it's just got a little bit more on the end. Accidentally. Accidentally. Okay, the lady accidentally shouted too loud. And all we've got is accident with alley on the end. Alley, A-L-L-Y. Our third word, carrying on across the top line, is actual. Actual. This relates to real life, doesn't it? When something's actually happened, it's real. Okay, there's no, well, I can see one word actually within the word here, act. If you're acting, then you are performing. Actual. The actual time we need to leave is 10 o'clock. And finally, linked to actual is actually. Actually. Actually, I can do it. And again, we've got an ly on the end. We've already got one L, so we only need to add one more to make actually. When do we actually need to leave? Okay, boys and girls, I need you to pause the video, grab yourself a piece of paper and a pencil, and we're going to look behind these coloured squares. There's a clue to one of our words. When we found what the word is, we're going to see in my quiz whether you can spell it. Here we go. The coloured blocks are going to start disappearing. Wonder what it will be. Looks like a person. There's his head. He's talking, isn't he, to another person. The man is telling the lady what actually happened. Actually. Can you write actually on your piece of paper? Pause the video if you need more time. Did you get it right? Actually. A-C-T-U-A-L-L-Y. Actually. Here's the next one. I think we might get this one easily. Oh, the boy's crying. Well done if you get there before I do. What is this word? The boy has had an accident. Can you write accident on your piece of paper? There it is, accident. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T, accident. You ready for number 3? Here it comes. Looks like a sign. I wonder what this word says on the sign. Will the middle solve the riddle? Oh, it says real, doesn't it? If something is real, if it's happened in real life, it has actually happened. Can you write the word actual? Actual. Did you get it right? Actual. A-C-T, act at the front, U-L. And our final one, boys and girls. Which one haven't we done yet? Another sign. Is that a number? Oh, I know what the sign says. The sign says, oops. Oops, I accidentally fell over. Accidentally. Can you write it? Accidentally. Don't forget, pause the video if you're not sure. It's a long word. And there it is. Accidentally. Accidentally. Great job if you got 4 out of 4. You just keep practicing to make sure you get all of these words right in your spelling test on Friday. Good luck, and I'll speak to you next time. Bye.